We are Metro Retrofitting, the premier retrofitting service company in the greater Los Angeles area. For over 25 years, Metro Retrofitting has been servicing the real estate community. When you're involved in the sale of a property, whether it be a condo, a single-family home, an apartment building, or a commercial property, the last thing you need is to worry about complying to the state and local ordinances on your purchase contract. Even home inspectors may not know all the different laws or placement requirements. Metro Retrofitting staff are experts in each city's unique compliance codes, and we will ensure that your clients' properties are in compliance so that you can close escrow on time. We do all the little but very important things that save lives and save water so that California can thrive and families are protected in case of a fire or earthquake. We install quality smoke alarms, carbon monoxide detectors, and automatic seismic gas shutoff valves properly placed per code. So don't be liable for installing them yourselves. It could be a matter of life or death. We are well versed in all Los Angeles and Ventura County safety and water conservation regulations. We travel from Long Beach to Ventura County, and you can trust our expertise. We guarantee our work and show up on time. We follow all COVID-19 safety guidelines for everyone's health, and we're state licensed and insured with workman's comp and general liability. So please call Metro Retro at 800-450-3660 or visit our website at gometroretro.com. We are booked up each week, so don't delay. Metro Retrofitting Incorporated, a certified retrofitting compliance service for your peace of mind.